Immunizations are one of the most effective means we have to protect children and adults from disease and death. A child born today has a far greater chance of reaching an advanced age than a child born 100 years ago, in no small part due to immunizations. On today's show, we'll tell you about the importance of immunizations for protecting the health of children and adults. We'll talk to Dr. Paul McKinney. Dr. McKinney is a professor and the Associate Dean of the University of Louisville School of Public Health and Information Sciences. We'll also talk to Mary Furman of the Metro Department of Public Health and Wellness. Mary will tell us about Kentucky's immunization requirements for schools and child care centers. Mary will also tell us how you can get your child immunized. This and more next on Health Matters. First, here is the public health and wellness news. Mayor Abramson will wind down the summer biking season on Labor Day with another of the popular mayor's hike and bikes. An estimated 4,500 people joined the mayor on Memorial Day to kick off the summer biking season. This is the fourth year for the hike and bike events. The events are part of the ongoing Mayor's Healthy Hometown movement, created to encourage Louisville residents to be more active and to make healthy lifestyle choices. The Department of Public Health and Wellness recently issued a report on the Community Health Screenings Project that took place amongst residents of West and Southwest Louisville. The project was an opportunity for people in West and Southwest to get free health screenings valued at $1,400 per person. The screenings helped to identify and get treatment for conditions that were negatively impacting health. In many instances, the screenings actually saved lives. In general, the more than 2,400 people who were screened were poorer and sicker than the overall population, with higher than normal rates of high blood pressure, asthma, and diabetes. The Community Health Screening Project detected prostate cancer in Stephen Traynor, for instance, and got him treatment.
It was scary finding out about it, but then again, I was thankful that they did.
The Metro Department of Public Health and Wellness will use some remaining funds from the Community Health Screenings Project to initiate an asthma initiative for residents of the Community Health Screening target area.
What we are going to do is kind of a two-pronged process. One process is to have general community events at work sites and at schools to try and educate people about asthma. What we found is about 15% of the people who came to this event had asthma as a chronic illness. And so continuing with that, continuing to educate people in that community about asthma, and as an environmentally associated illness, it's kind of a natural follow-up for this, will be important. And secondly, we would like to have an asthma case management program. So we are going to identify patients associated with family health centers, Park Duval, with community providers who are known to have chronic asthma, to try and provide them individual case management to try and improve their outcomes.
The complete Community Health Screenings report is available at www.louisvilleky.gov/health. The Metro Department of Public Health and Wellness has begun its summer fogging operations to control adult mosquito populations. Fogging is done between dusk and dawn. The department sets mosquito traps to determine which areas have high concentrations and then fogs in those areas. To find the areas to be fogged each week, visit www.louisvilleky.gov/health or phone the mosquito hotline at 574-6641. The third annual Louisville Tommy Smith Youth Track and Field Meet was held on July 11th and 12th. More than 400 children of all ability levels between the ages of 5 and 18 competed. Olympic gold medalist Tommy Smith was on hand.
We're here because of the welfare of our kids, of our youth, the experiences that they're being issued by society now is not so geared toward the goodness of health.
The Tommy Smith Youth Track and Field Meet is part of the larger Tommy Smith Youth Initiative in Louisville. The Louisville Metro Department of Public Health and Wellness, the University of Louisville, and Jefferson County Public Schools are working in partnership to decrease the factors for childhood obesity amongst elementary school children. The initiative includes instruction on nutrition and physical fitness, as well as an assessment of the various environmental health factors impacting the children and their families.